tell here, I became the proud recipient of two rather large bags of grapes, which are now empty. They've been destemmed and cleaned and re-cleaned, and here's the finished product. And I'll try one out just to make sure. I've already had a few. The taste is right there. So I'll set that aside, and here's what. Got a big Pyrex dish here, and so this will put it in the refrigerator and keep it cool. There's been, like I say, no stems, and they've been cleaned, and I did not see one grape out of the whole 2 bags that was dented or that had to be thrown out or anything like that. All when I saw a grape in the bags, there ended up one way here. Another thing, that some of the grapes ended up in the frying pan, trying to make some jam out of it, and this is how it's so far, and the grapes look kind of pruny, but I am told that they will, in and of themselves, turn into jam. Correct? Okay. So that's gonna happen on its own. Don't have to insert any work into that process. But if you're like me, and you get a bunch of grapes and you start eating them, and after a while you get sick of them, and you don't think, well, I can't eat the whole 2 bags of grapes, so at least we got them preserved here, and I can eat them a little bit, here and there. But they are very good. It doesn't seem to have just a red seedless. It's basically all it says, and then it says California. So, red seedless from California. So just a quick notice as to how things can go when things go right. That took a little bit of labor, destemming them and cleaning them. I cleaned them in kind of like a strainer kind of outfit with the water running down on them, moving it around and getting them all jostled around so that they all got cleaned and stuff. And so that's the way that worked. And pretty happy with the result. Go to sleep. See you next time. Hey.